मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है, किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार।
All right.
आपकी मदहोश नज़रें कर रही है शायरी, आपकी मदहोश नज़रें कर रही है शायरी, ये गज़ल मेरी नहीं, ये गज़ल है आपकी। मैंने तो बस वो लिखा जो कुछ लिखाया आपने।
Hey! All right.
मैंने भूल दिया, मैंने भूल दिया।
Happy anniversary, Rama Dadi
Rama Dadi
and Dadu.
and Daddy.
Love you.
Happy anniversary, Masi and Anna. Wish you a lifetime of love, laughter, happiness, and togetherness. We're celebrating on your behalf in the Maldives, and we hope to see you super soon in Dubai. Take care. Have a great day. Bye.
So Mama Ramami, just wanted to wish you a happy 40th anniversary. Thanks for being there whenever we needed anything, and anytime, any day, any place, you guys are always there. So thank you for that. And I know you guys and also Dad and Mom's anniversary planned it together, so definitely next year we're gonna do that. So enjoy today and see you soon.
Hi Achal Uncle, Ramanti, happy anniversary.
Yeah, I mean, this is so much better than me giving you a serious lecture on your anniversary. I hope you have a great day and we're thinking of you guys. Okay?
I wish we were there.
I wish.
Yeah, and we've got one extra special guest.
Happy anniversary.
Have a lovely, lovely,
Have a lovely
day
day.
and year ahead.
And see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello Achal, hello Rama. Happy 40th anniversary. Enjoy yourself, have a good time. Sorry we are not there at this time. We'll celebrate next year.
Hello Achal Bhaiya, hello Rama. Happy 40th anniversary. Love you both, lots of hugs. I've known you both since I was 1.5 years old. And you both always bring a smile to my lips. And there is so much love that I can't show you.
Have a
And
good time,
thank you
enjoy
for giving
yourself.
us Anand, Vidur and Viraj. And Sarah and Radhika and Tanya. Feel blessed. All our best wishes always. Love you both. Bye.
All the best.
Hi Achal, hi Rama. Wish you a very happy 40th anniversary. Of course, we date back to the times when you were dating Rama, and a handsome young man and a beautiful young girl, and me as the kebab mein haddi in the middle. So it was quite crazy, but I still remember those days, those beautiful days, your ambassador car with all the windows all glazed up. But it was fun times. Wish you a lot of love, lot of happiness, and have a great year ahead.
Hi Rama, hi Achal. Wish you a very, very happy 40th anniversary. Many more years together, good health, lots of happiness. Wish we could be together, but unfortunately, these COVID times are such. We will definitely make up one day. Lots of happiness to you. All the best. Have a blast in the evening. Bye. Take care.
See you. Bye.
All the best.
जब अचल ने प्रैक्टिस शुरू की, he started from a family house in Malviya Nagar, and I used to visit there quite often. Naturally, we are friends since then. And once I went, and after some time somebody called, and I was waiting for the call to stop. और देखा आधा घंटा बात हो रही है, हर थोड़े मिनट के बाद बात वो कर रहा है, जब तो कह रहा है इली, थोड़ी देर फिर इली। मैंने पूछा, जब बात ख़त्म हुई, मैंने पूछा अच्छा ये इली इली क्या है, ये इली इली क्या है, ये इली इली क्या है? तो फिर उसने बताया इली है रमा। I met a girl, her name is Rama, and I love her. और उसका मतलब इली का मतलब है I love you. और जब भी उसे बात करो पूछो अच्छा शाम को कहाँ था, मैं तो फ़ोन करता रहा, उन दिनों में लैंडलाइन होती बाय द वे। तो कहता यार मैं गया हुआ था, कहाँ गया हुआ था? JNU. सो एवरी डे इन द इवनिंग दे यूज्ड टू गो टू JNU. JNU की एक एक बिल्डिंग, एक एक रोड का, एक एक गली का उनको दोनों को इतना मालूम है आज तक। दे हैड नेवर फॉरगॉटन, दे यूज्ड टू हाइड देमसेल्फ इन द स्ट्रीट्स। और उसके बाद थोड़े दिन बाद गया अचल के घर, वहाँ आवाज़ें आ रही हैं, अन्ना अन्ना अन्ना। कौन है? विराज। मैं कहा नो आई विल नॉट आस्क क्वेश्चन हुज अन्ना। अन्ना तो आते रहेंगे आते रहेंगे। Achal and Rama, we wish you a very, very happy wedding anniversary, buddies.
And
Cheers!
Hello, happy Ruby anniversary to my Sandu and my Sali John. Enjoy life. Always stay safe, but don't play safe anymore. Enjoy to the fullest. God bless you.
एक हंसी शाम को अचल का दिल खो गया, पहले अपना हुआ करता था, अब रमा का हो गया। Happy anniversary, happy Ruby anniversary, and all wishes for you. May your ruby turn to gold, then to diamond, and you both enjoy each other with good health always. And the best part is you have three Devis in your house. One will take you to Gurdwara, then to church, then to Mandir. Arey, you are lucky. God bless you. Have fun. Great time. And we'll miss you. Love you.
We shall celebrate tomorrow evening and open the champagne. We'll have a Zoom party. Good night. Bye-bye. Enjoy.
Hi, many happy returns of the day. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary to both of you, Bhai Sahab and Bhabhi ji.
It's such an honor for us. We feel so lucky to be following you, to be with you, and to have your blessings. You are our blessing in our life. And it's such a wonderful day today. And I come to know that, we come to know it's your 40th anniversary. Wow, that's incredible number of years to be together, and such a loving relationship which we can see, and that how beautifully you both complement each other. We wish to be following your footsteps, and I hope that we can both make you feel proud one day.
Yeah, really, Bhai Sahab and Bhabhi ji, we admire you and always look up to you. And every single time we learn a lot from you. Every time we meet you and we count our blessings, and you are one of them.
So have a splendid day and life together, and keep motivating people like us and all your young ones. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Love you both.
Both of you. Love you.
भाई साहब और रमा बहन जी, आपको शादी की 40वीं सालगिरह की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो। यह दिन हर साल आए और आप और हम सब इस दिन को खुशी से मनाएं। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी।
Hi Anna, hi Chachi, wishing you a very happy 40th anniversary.
Happy 40th anniversary.
Have a good day. Lots of champagne.
And lots of grandchildren, hopefully soon, besides this naughty one. And
Nice.
can you say happy anniversary once? Please? Say. Have a great day. Miss you. Love you. Bye.
Bye, take care.
Cheers to 40 years. Woohoo!
Happy anniversary. Sending you so much love. Wishing the romance stays alive for forever. Lots of love from us.
Lots and lots of love. Mwah!
Hi Masi, hi Anna. Wish you very happy naughty 40th anniversary. Hope you're having a great day. I hope the 6 of them are pampering you a lot. And I hope you all are pampering each other a lot. I'm having a drink on your behalf today, and I'm cooking food as well for myself. I'm gonna foot the bill to you all. Cheers, love you. Can't wait to come to Delhi and celebrate with you all. Bye, love you.
Happy 40th wedding anniversary to the most caring and dependable couple, Achal Bhaiya and Rama. Blink of an eye and they are there whenever needed. Wish you both million years of togetherness with heart in heart and hand in hand together forever. Have a rocking day with your lovely boys Viraj, Anant and Vidur, and beautiful girls Tanya, Sarah and Radhika. Wish you all the best in life. We will celebrate together when we are together in Delhi. Lots of love and a big hug.
Hi Achal, Rama, all the best. Have a great 40th. I know we are going through a bad phase in COVID, but we will do that whenever we meet again. And what we planned before, we will try to execute that. All the best, have a rocking day, and my love to everybody, both of you and all the children.
Achal Mama and Ramami, happy Ruby 40th anniversary. Thank you so much for always being there for everything we've ever needed in life. You guys have given us all the blessings in the world and all the support you've shown us for so long. You guys are like parents to me too, and I love you both very much. Here's to having another 100 years of an incredible bonded marriage. Thank you so much for everything, and have an absolutely incredible day. Love you both.
Wishing you a very happy anniversary, uncle and auntie.
May you be blessed with joyful years and togetherness. Hope you have a wonderful time.
Have an amazing night.
Happy
Cheers
anniversary.
to you guys.
Hello, Achal and Rama. It is your 40th anniversary. Wow, brilliant. You're just a little bit behind us, but you're there. Anyway, have a great year and great life together for many more years to come. Have a great day today. Okay, I'll pass it on to Usha now. She's got a few words to say.
May your day turn out to be truly special. Congratulations once again. And we celebrate this day with you. Cheers to being together for 40 years.
40 years. Wow.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good health.
Please, please.
Love you guys a
please.
lot.
Love you.
Take
Bye.
care. Bye.
Hi, Latin Ramadachi.
Wishing you a very happy 40th wedding anniversary.
anniversary.
Wishing you endless love, joy, and happiness for the rest of the life.
And lots of grandchildren. Please, in the next coming years, guys, take a hint.
Happy anniversary, Achal Uncle and Rama Auntie. I hope you have a wonderful day. 40 years of marriage is double my age, so I can't even imagine how many amazing times you've had and how many to come. And coming to stay with you is always the highlight of my year whenever I do. And I think about you guys all the time and how much fun we have, and I can't wait to have more. And I hope you have a lovely day and days, months, years ahead to come.
Hi, Rama and Achal. Wishing you a very, very happy 40th anniversary. As an individual, both of you make very fine persons. Achal, as I've known, a very fine architect, superb painter, one of the finest painters I've come across personally, and an amazing human being. I've had not once but felt it many times, very helpful to all the friends. Rama, the qualities I'll fail in counting all of them, but as I know, a house lady, great house lady, superb interior designer, excellent cooker. I've seen her handling all the 5 burners at a time on the in the kitchen and doing justice to all 5 of them. A great mother and a great wife. Together, the combination is still deadlier. They make great parents. They were gifted with 3 musketeers by the grace of God, and they produced 3 very fine men out of them. Now all are family men, and they have been a blessing to Rama and Achal in the life as a special gift to them. God bless both of you for times to come, and I sincerely pray that you prosper more, have a healthy life, and hoping to see within this year you becoming both of as grandparents. I don't know how many number of times, but I'm sure 3 of them and 1 of you, so 4 should be coming in this year. Wish you all happiness, Achal and Rama. God bless.
Hi, Achal Bhaiya and Rama Didi. Wish you both a very, very, very special wedding anniversary. You inspire us to be such loving and caring and humble couple, and we really feel proud to be part of your family. And God bless you both. Stay safe, stay healthy. Wishing you years of love and togetherness.
Heartiest congratulations, Ji, on your 40th anniversary, and may you both live a healthy life to celebrate your 80th together. God bless.
Hi Achal and Rama, a very, very happy 40th anniversary to this great couple. All the best, have lots of fun, and I think we'll do cheers in the evening.
Hi Rama Bhavi, Achal Bhaiya, the most wonderful couple I've met. Wish you all a very, very happy anniversary, and in the evening we must celebrate together.
I think
First drink together.
Together, online cheers. And all the best, enjoy yourself.
Have a great time.
Bye bye.
कहना है कहना है कहना है कहना है आज तुमसे ये पहली बार हो तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार 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 हो तुम ही तो लाई हो जीवन में मेरे प्यार प्यार प्यार